What is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that may store any form of data. It is highly challenging to attack or game the system since identical copies of the database are dispersed throughout the whole network. Although Bitcoin is now the most prominent use for blockchain, the technology has the potential to be used for a very broad range of purposes. Anyone may read, write, or audit the data on a public blockchain. In contrast, private blockchains are managed by an entity or group. As the foundation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, blockchain is currently used the most frequently. However, it might also be used to handle physical assets, such as the ownership of real estate and automobile deeds. The blockchain would be used by both parties to a transaction to first confirm who has the property and who has the funding before the sale could be finalized and recorded. The technology is used by IBM's Food Trust to track food from its harvest through its consumption. With the use of the distributed ledger known as blockchain, two parties may confirm and finalize transactions directly amongst themselves. Theoretically, it is almost hard to conduct fraudulent transactions on a decentralized network like blockchain. People may move assets and money more effectively since blockchains are available around the clock, especially when doing so overseas. Cryptographic keys are used to safeguard some digital assets, such as cryptocurrencies stored in a blockchain wallet. You cannot call a centralized organization, such as your bank, to request access back since the system is decentralized. Compared to bank transactions associated with a name, it is more difficult to monitor unauthorized transactions on a blockchain. Blockchain technology is still somewhat of a niche technology despite its potential. It can be worthwhile for investors to place a wager if they see the technology's potential. You may purchase Santander Bank's stock as it tests out financial solutions based on the blockchain. Exposure to the technology may be advantageous for an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that invests in blockchain assets and businesses.